so with these ones, we've used a fairly thin pen, haven't we? And so just using one of these Unipin fine liners, like normally I'd be using a 0.5 millimeter, which is a nice average sort of size. If you're doing little tiny fine work and Zentangles and things, you can go down to 0.4, 0.3, even 0.2 and 0.1. Little tiny fine lines if you want variation. But 0.5 is one of my favourite sizes in a journal, like an A5 journal. But then if I go up to A3, I go slightly thicker. So this is, I've been using on these big sheets, I've been using 0.7 millimeter diameter nib. What happens when you use these Unipin fine liners? I love these because it's actually a Unipin fine line water and fade proof pigment ink. So pigment means it's not going to fade. It's like archival acrylic ink in these pens. It's not actually acrylic. I don't know what sort of liquid they use in there, but it never dries out. That's what you want. You want to look for words like archival or pigment ink. So they're good. There's plenty of black pens you can get that are not waterproof and fade proof, and they're not very archival. They fade in no time at all. The thing with that pen though, and it's the beauty of it as well, it's the same thickness over the entire drawing. It's the same line thickness. The beauty in that is being able to do the cross hatching. Yeah. And it looks really lovely when you do that. It's an even thickness all the way around, so it's a totally different look from when you use an ink nib pen or a brush.